Here's how to create a paper assessment. Click Create Assessment. Select the course, enter the assessment name, and set the assessment type to paper. If you're running multiple versions of an assessment, turn on the multiple versions toggle and select the desired number of versions. Based on the number of questions and distractors on your test, select the desired bubble sheet layout. Akindi will automatically ignore any unused bubbles. Customize your bubble sheets by choosing to pre-fill the sheets with the student names and student IDs, and customize the information displayed in the header. Akindi will provide a preview of your bubble sheets on the right-hand side. Enter the answer key by selecting the correct response for each question. Using Akindi's advanced marking options, you can control the weight and grading scheme of each question. You are able to edit the answer key at any time, including after the test sheets have been graded. To print your customized bubble sheets, click Print Bubble Sheets. If you chose to pre-fill the student information, you will have a test sheet for each student in your roster. If you chose to leave the test sheets blank, you will then have a blank sheet that you can print copies for each student in your class. Print the PDF using any regular printer and paper. The default settings will work fine. Once they are printed, double-check that the corner squares and QR code are present and unaltered on the test sheet. Akindi will need these to grade the test sheet. Hand out the bubble sheets to the students. The students can use either pen or pencil to fill in the bubbles. After the test is complete, collect the completed response sheets and scan them into a PDF using any regular scanner. You'll then upload that PDF to Akindi. If your scanner has email capabilities, you can email the test sheets directly to your unique uploads email address, which is found on your course dashboard. Alternatively, upload the PDF directly to Akindi. Click Upload Response Sheets, select the desired PDF, and click Upload. Akindi will highlight any errors caused by students misfilling their student information as exceptions. If the student misfilled their student ID, Akindi will display a preview of that student's test sheet. You can search your class roster by name or student ID and assign that test sheet to the proper student. Akindi will call exceptions if it isn't sure how to grade a student's response. You can choose to ignore the exception, which will mark the student's response as incorrect, or adjust the student's response to reflect their selection. Once you've resolved the exceptions, you are now ready to view the results. Akindi's results analysis is centered around two main questions: how well the students performed and how well the test was designed. On the overview page, Akindi will provide analytics around the easiest question and the hardest question, as well as highlight questions that statistically performed well and questions that you might want to take a look at. On the Graphs tab, Akindi provides a full item analysis for each question. The Responses tab features a full spreadsheet view of all of the students and how they performed on the assessment. From here, you can edit the answer key and pull up individual student reports. Send the grades directly to your Learning Management Gradebook by clicking Send Grades to LMS. You can select an existing grade item or create a new item from within Akindi. Additionally, Akindi offers a number of export options under the Actions drop-down menu. We want you to feel supported at every step of the way. So if you have any questions, please reach out to my team and I through our live in-app chat. We hope to hear from you soon, and happy testing.